Leaders, feel that fire burning inside, that pressure crushing your chest every damn day? The world's spinning faster than ever, robots and algorithms replacing the systems you built, people losing their drive or stuck in safe routines, acting like cogs in a machine instead of humans with spark, heart, vision. It's infuriating. Watching your team stuck in the past, outdated rules choking bold ideas, innovation strangled under layers of bureaucracy. You want change but feel trapped, like the systems designed not for growth but conformity, not for breakthroughs but control. You're angry, frustrated, exhausted from fighting a battle everyone says is unwinnable. But here's the brutal truth. The old rules won't save you now. You're drowning in noise, distractions, fake efficiencies, and the louder the promises of freedom and progress, the tighter reality grabs you by the throat. But listen closely. This is exactly where transformational leadership isn't just important. It's the only way forward. Not the feel-good speeches or empty buzzwords you hear everywhere. Real transformation means ripping out the outdated systems that chain your team's creativity and shoving aside the fake leaders who cling to control like it's their last lifeline. First, stop chasing approval from the old guard who don't get you. They want you small, compliant, predictable. Instead, build an ecosystem inside your organization where individual fire can burn wildly but without chaos, a place where autonomy is king and people are trusted to deliver not because you micromanage, but because they feel truly owned and empowered. You must obsess over connection, not the shallow team-building stuff, but a fierce, raw bonding of complementary skills and values that spark synergy like dynamite. Without it, you're just a group of talented people missing the secret weapon that turns good companies into legends. Encourage brutal honesty, deep respect for diversity, and a culture where every idea is questioned, tested, and refined until it's sharp enough to cut through the noise. Find those rare minds, the thinkers, the doers, the ones with scars from trying and failing but still standing hungry, and weave them into an unstoppable network inside your business. This is how transformation builds itself, slowly, painfully, but fully committed and unstoppable. You have to reject the illusion fed by the world, that comfort is safety and stability is progress. Comfort kills creativity, stability kills risk-taking. Freedom is forged in discomfort, carved out in chaos. Your people won't change unless you push them hard enough to face their own limits, to break down barriers they didn't even know existed. Challenge mortality, not just in the physical sense, but the death of old mindsets, outdated habits, the slow decay of ambition when hope is starved by routine and fear. Speak openly about failure, the zeros that build the hero stories. Demand continuous merit, not identity politics or legacy. Power, trust, investment, all earned and given to those who prove, every day, they are ready to break the mold. Every leader in the digital age must live this fire, support it in their teams, celebrate it. You're not here to join the crowd or settle for half measures. You're here to lead a revolution from the inside out. Transcend borders, shatter tribal loyalties, think global, act bold, but stay fiercely individual. Because only through true individuality does real unity come alive. Your mission isn't just to grow a company, it's to build a movement, a relentless collective of individuals who refuse to be boxed in by yesterday's rules and yesterday's lies. Capital isn't just cash. It's fuel for impossible dreams. Treat it like that. So here's the command. Stop being a prisoner of the system. Tear down that rulebook you're told to live by. Tear down your own internal limits. Find the fierce few around you, those who want more, who dare to change the game, and create a network so strong, so bold, no one can break it. Demand transparency, embrace chaos, reward guts. Build a culture where every voice is heard, but no ego rules. Lead through example, through fire, through uncompromising commitment to freedom, not the fake freedom sold by the past, but the real, grinding, beautiful freedom of creating the future you deserve. Make no mistake, this path is brutal and lonely, but it's the only way out of the dead end. Leaders of the digital age, it's time. The world lies to you. You already know it. Freedom is given only to those who seize it. So rise up. Lead the transformation that no one else dares to. The revolution starts now, and it starts with you.